Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Shortly after 12:30 a.m., officers responded to a reported robbery near the intersection of 4th Avenue and Wall Street.
Put your hands up! Lay on the ground now! Don't grab the gun!
Officers contacted two 35-year-old victims who stated they were walking home from a bar when two males approached, one armed with a gun, and demanded their belongings. Police were able to review security footage and identify a vehicle associated with the robbery.
Put your hands behind...
Multiple officers responded to the area and were able to locate the vehicle at a gas station in the 600 block of Elliott Avenue West. The vehicle fled the scene at a high rate of speed, but one of the suspects was left behind.
You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Look out!
Put your hand down.
Hit.
I'm trying to. Put your
Officers contacted the male and after a brief foot pursuit took him into custody.
Hand out.
I'm trying to.
Don't move. Put your hand behind your back.
Firearm was recovered
Other
during
one
the
now.
arrest. The victims identified the suspect as the male with the gun. Officers recovered some of the victims' stolen property and returned it to them on scene. The suspect was booked into King County Jail for investigation of robbery. Officers continue to look for the outstanding suspect.
Stand up. We're getting out of the street.